Hi you guys, it's Tia Megan and it's story time. Now I had two votes, but they were for different books. And they're both very short books, so I'm going to read both. Our first vote was for Outdoor Explorer, I See Birds. It's a tadpole board book. And I'm going to show you the pictures after I read the words. I see birds. A hawk soars. A duck quacks. Oh, look at all the baby ducklings. That's a busy mom. A sparrow hops, which is a type of little jumps that they do. I bet you can practice hopping. And if you're in a wheelchair, you can try moving your legs or any way that you can move. A crow calls. Oh, there's been so many crows in my neighborhood that the little birds have been scared. Although crows are kind of nice. A chicken pecks. Peck, 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 peck. And my son would say they taste good. A robin sings. Oh, I would be singing if I was amongst all those beautiful flowers. But spring is just around the corner. A swan swims. And that is the end of I See Birds. Now, the second book that was chosen is Farm Baby Chicks. Again, a tadpole board book. Chicks, chirp, chirp. What is that sound? It's coming from inside of the egg. The egg wobbles and then it cracks. Out comes a little beak. Then comes a head. Oh, it's a chick. Oh, he's still trying to get out of the egg that he's been growing inside of. Oh. Sorry, these board books sometimes are hard for me. It stands and it fluffs its feathers and soon it is dry. Oh, he got all the egg and cleaned off its feathers. They just know what to do when they come out. The chick is hungry and it scratches in the dirt. It's looking for bugs. These pictures are actually bigger than actual chicks are. The chick will eat and then it will rest. So it's gonna fill up its tummy and then sleep. Sounds like things that I like to do. It will grow and then soon it will be a chicken. Oh, look at he's standing on his mama's back. But soon he'll be as big as his mama. And that is the end of the Chicks book. I hope you like those two short books. And don't forget to vote so I can read a book next Monday. Bye-bye.